Your health-crazed friends have probably talked about oregano oil. The health and wellness world loves its essential oils, you know. But what's the deal with oregano oil? Stick around, because as you'll see in this video, it turns out that your crunchy, granola-eating, health-crazed friends are onto something. Let's look at the top 11 benefits of oregano oil and how it can help us own our biome.
Your health from the inside out.
Oregano is an herb that is native to Europe and Asia. It's used in cooking, but it has several medicinal properties. It can relieve sore muscles and ear infections and even repel insects. First up, the oregano oil that we're talking about should not be confused with common kitchen oregano. Oil of oregano is an extract that is mostly distilled from the stem of a plant that is slightly different from your normal kitchen oregano plant. Oregano oil benefits include its strong aroma and antiseptic properties. It is a natural substance and contains two key compounds, carvacrol and thymol, which are directly involved in inhibiting harmful microorganisms that cause many illnesses and complications. This oil can be used either as a liquid or in the form of capsules. However you use it, make sure that the carvacrol concentration is at least 70%. Here are the top 11 benefits of oil of oregano. Benefit 1. Gut health. Oregano may benefit gut health in a number of ways. Gut symptoms such as diarrhea, pain, and bloating are common and can be caused by gut parasites. One study gave 600 milligrams of oregano oil to people who had gut symptoms as a result of a parasite. After daily treatment for 6 weeks, all participants experienced a reduction in parasites, and 3/4 of them were completely cured. Oregano oil may also help protect against another common gut complaint known as leaky gut. This happens when the gut wall becomes damaged, allowing bacteria and toxins to pass into the bloodstream. One study on animals showed that oregano oil protected the gut wall from damage and prevented it from becoming leaky. It's worth discussing this with your doctor first, though, as the nature of digestive issues can vary greatly from one person to the next. Benefit number 2, fighting colds. When we're hit with the cold or flu, our bodies will usually kick into action and fight the pathogen that has caused the illness in the first place. But it's always wise to give our bodies a helping hand in the process, and that's where oregano oil can be used. Oregano oil is an excellent option for increasing the body's defense mechanism against cold or sore throat. You can simply take 3 drops of oregano oil in a day or mix it into a glass of orange juice and notice results within a few hours. Not only this, but oregano oil also has been found to be effective against certain viruses, especially viruses that can affect the respiratory tract. This is because it contains something called thymol, a natural fungicide with antiseptic properties. Benefit number 3, fights infection. Oregano oil and the carvacrol it contains may help fight bacteria. This makes a great antidote for a number of bacterial infections that could cause stomach upset and sickness. One study found that carvacrol effectively keeps food-borne pathogens like E. coli at bay, so it's a good one to keep handy if you're unfortunate enough to experience food poisoning. The bacteria-based benefits of oregano oil don't stop there either. The oil's antibacterial properties can be effective against types of bacteria that live in the digestive, upper respiratory, and urinary tracts, which helps to fight infection. Remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as that really helps others find this information. Benefit number 4, bug repellent. If you live in a country that's plagued by pesky bugs at certain times of the year, keep a bottle of oregano oil handy as a bug repellent. By simply using the oil in aromatherapy around your home, you'll be able to keep the bugs outside where they belong. Quite a bit of research has been conducted into how this aromatic oil repels bugs. It's thought that its main active ingredient, carvacrol, may help when it comes to repelling lice, fleas, mosquitoes, and bed bugs. One study found that oregano essential oil showed more potential as a repellent compound than commercial products against bed bugs. So you know what to do next time you're dealing with bugs. Skip the brand names and chemicals and consider oregano oil as a natural alternative. Number 5, fights disease. As we get older, our susceptibility for disease increases. Take cancer, for instance. Odds are that 1 in 3 of us will get some form of cancer in our lifetime. While there's no avoiding some of the harsher diseases, there are certain natural plant sources that are thought to help you stay healthier for as long as possible. Oregano oil is one of these sources. Due to its antioxidant properties, oregano oil is effective in protection against bad cholesterol, thus reducing the risk of heart diseases. One study in 2017 found that oregano oil seemed to play a role in keeping tumors at bay. More studies will need to be conducted before this can be confirmed conclusively, so it's always necessary to speak to your doctor about essential oil therapies before using them for anti-tumor purposes. Benefit number 6, reduces pain. Oregano oil has been investigated for its pain-killing properties. One study in mice tested standard painkillers versus essential oils, including oregano oil, for its capacity to relieve pain. It found that oregano significantly reduced pain in mice, with effects similar to the commonly used painkillers phenobarbital and morphine. The research proposed these results were likely due to the carvacrol content of oregano oil. A similar study found that oregano oil not only reduced pain in rats, but that the response was dose-dependent. That is, the more oregano oil the rats consumed, the less pain they appeared to feel. Benefit 7, skincare. Being a strong and effective blood purifier, antioxidant, and rich in vitamins and minerals, oregano oil is beneficial for your skin. Topical application of this oil in a diluted form is common for skincare. The carvacrol compound in oregano oil helps in treating minor skin problems such as acne and cold sores. This oil can be applied directly on acne lesions to speed up the healing process. The tingling sensation observed after the application of this oil stops the herpes virus from manifesting altogether. Ear infections can even be cured by rubbing the oil directly on the affected area. When applied topically like this, some find that diluted oregano oil is an effective way to heal the rash caused by poison ivy. Discontinue using it if you discover redness or irritation. Benefit number 8, provides antioxidants. Oregano oil is also a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect the body from damage caused by oxidative stress and free radicals. Oxidative stress may lead to increased DNA damage and cell death. Oxidation may also play a role in other issues such as arthritis and some cancers. Carvacrol is a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce oxidation. Benefit number 9, digestive aid. Due to its high content of thymol and carvacrol compounds, oregano oil is effective in calming upset stomach and aids in digestion. Indigestion can be cured by drinking a glass of milk or juice that is mixed with 2 or 3 drops of oregano oil. This can also help get rid of excess mucus in the lungs. Benefit 10, weight management. Thanks to oregano oil's carvacrol content, it may help with weight loss. In one study, mice were either fed a normal diet, a high-fat diet, or a high-fat diet with carvacrol. Those given carvacrol alongside their high-fat diet gained significantly less weight and body fat compared to those just given a high-fat diet. Furthermore, carvacrol appeared to reverse the chain of events that can lead to the formation of fat cells. Studies show that oregano oil can help curb food cravings. Benefit number 11, treats yeast infections. Yeast is a type of fungus. It can be harmless, but overgrowth can result in gut problems and infections, such as thrush. The most well-known yeast is called Candida, which is the most common cause of yeast infections worldwide. In test tube studies, oregano oil has been found to be effective against 16 different types of Candida, more effective than any other oil that has been studied. Here's an interesting use of oregano oil. Did you know that it's used in chicken farming? Some poultry farmers use oregano oil instead of commercial antibiotics to keep their flock healthy and prevent infections. It's known as a safe alternative to drugs used for such purposes. How do you use oregano oil? Let us know in the comments. Check out our channel's other videos for more tips and health ideas, and thanks for subscribing.